Welcome back to the Sidetrack Railroad and unboxing the Kato M1 2854 Basic Oval Track Set. We're not going to waste any time here. Let's dive right on into this. Those of you that have seen some of the other content on the channel know this is the start of our live stream layout. Let's just get this box open. As you can see, it's all fairly well protected in here, and there's some space for some extra stuff, it looks like. And we've got another little drawer here. It looks like it could store an entire locomotive set. We've got a catalog, it looks like, a re-railer, and a track cleaner. We'll stick that back in there. And let's see what else we have here. We've got the 8 sections of curve track. I believe these are the 315 radius. We'll just stick these back in here. Here are the long straight sections. Here's a short section and our feeder track. You can see the feeder connection here. And we've got a re-railer track and another short section. And here are the traffic crossing additions to the re-railer track. Here we've got the power supply and the feeder track connection. And the controller itself. This is, of course, the black standard SX power pack. I believe the black version is the newer of the two. And the connections for the additional switches. All in all, it's a bit smaller than I was expecting and a lot lighter. And that is what's in the package. What do you say we put some of this together and see what we can fit on the table? This Unitrack snaps together pretty easily. Pretty straightforward. And just like that, we've already got half a loop. Go ahead and add our feeder track. And we'll start the next curve section. I think doing this on a flat surface instead of up in the air would definitely help avoid some misalignment. But as you can see, I haven't had too many problems here. We'll connect this up with another section of short track to match our feeder. And in under a couple of minutes, we have a full loop here. Now, of course, I'm not using the long straights or those medium straights. We're just using the curves and the short 62 millimeter track. But we do have a loop that fits on the coffee table. Go ahead and plug the feeder up to the controller here. And we have a completed track. Now we just need a train to run. So that, I believe, is the newer Kato M1 PC Master Set. It includes four 248 millimeter straights, two 124 millimeter straights, two 62 millimeter straights, and 8 of the 315/45 curves. You're also going to get one of the newer power packs, an AC adapter, the re-railer, and all of the other accessories you saw. And this entire set came in at $105.80 with shipping and tax. Thanks for joining me for unboxing the Kato M1 2854 Basic Oval Track Set. And I'll see you next time.